The second four bars are based on the first four bars. So what we've actually got is the same chord progression of E, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, A, 4, but it's slightly varied in the guitar part because instead of the E for a whole note at the start, we've got two eighth notes, which are the third fret of the sixth string, which is a G, followed by the second fret of the sixth string, which is an F sharp, and then we have a half note of the open sixth string, which is an E. So we get G, F sharp, E, 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3. And then at the end of that bar, for a quarter note, we get an E major chord. So we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4. And then we're back to our D, A, both for half notes. So the first two bars of the second group would be 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's quite a fast chord change from E to D there. I'll play it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, D, 2, A, 2. And then we get that same pattern on the E. So we get, and then we're back to the D, A, but there's an important change in this. For a start, everything is played as eighth notes, which could be seen as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. The last two eighth notes are a rest, so that would sound like this. But in between the D and the A, we briefly go to a D suspended fourth. So for that, we take D, as we've seen it, and we put our pinky on the first string on the third fret. So that would be there. And that gives us a G against our D, when normally we'd have an F sharp. And that's called a suspended fourth chord. And that's for the second two eighth notes of the bar. So we've got D, sus4, back to D, and then A. I'll do that again very slowly. D, sus4, D, A, rest, rest. Now it doesn't matter how you strum that. You could strum it as alternate picking, sort of down and up strokes. And the music doesn't actually tell you what type of strumming you have to. I think it suits the record more to do all downstrokes. So that whole 4-bar section would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, D, 2, A, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4. I'll do it again.